Hello, this is Monica, your instructional technology teacher on assignment. Today we're going to talk about the app Doceri. Doceri is a whiteboard app, but it's more than that. It actually allows students to create how-to videos and explain their thinking to their teacher through visual and through audio options. So I've already downloaded the app on my iPad, so I'm just going to pull gently down in the middle of the screen and get the search bar. If I hadn't already typed in Doceri, I would do that in the search bar and then tap. Once the app opens, I'm going to click from my iPad alone, and then I'm going to be taken to the project area, and I want to start a new project, so I'm going to tap the plus on the bottom left of the screen. Now I'm going to get some resolution choices, and I'm going to pick iPad default. And now I actually have my first slide. So I'm going to show a basic introduction to this as if I was a first grade maybe student, and kind of explain as a child, and you can see the tools that I'm using to explain my thinking to my teacher. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the record button and begin my presentation. Start recording. Hello, my name is Monica, and I'm going to show how I know how to add apples together. My teacher gave me a word problem, and she wants me to show how I would solve it. So I took a picture of the word problem, and it's in my photo album, and I'm going to go get it now. I'm going to click on the mountain, and I'm going to click from Photo Library, and then I'm going to go in and find the picture that I took. Then I'm going to pinch and zoom and move it to where I want it. I want it here. Okay. So that is the question that my teacher asked me. Now I want to put my name on this so that she will know that it's me. So I'm going to click the pen tool, and if I double tap, I will be able to get other colors, and I don't want red, I like purple. So I'm going to write my name for my teacher. And now I'm going to solve the problem. It says Joe has 2 apples. So I want to click on the circle, and I'm going to make them green apples. Some green apples. That's good. And I'm going to make 1 apple and 2 apples. Like that. And those are Joe's apples. And then it says that Mary has 1 apple. So I'm going to draw a picture of Mary's apples. So Mary has her own apple over here. So now I have to add up the apples. Joe's 2 apples and Mary's 1 apple. So I am going to use my pen tool again, and I'm going to say this is 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. So Joe has 2 apples plus Mary has 1 apple equals 3 apples. And that is how you do this word problem. Then I'm going to hit the stop of the record button, and it'll just say stop recording, and it will save it, or I can just pause it. The other things that somebody can do with this app is not only do you have the pen tool, but there's markers, highlighters, so if you wanted to put some text there, have the children highlight, you could do that. There's an eraser tool, and then you can also add more slides so if you wanted a full presentation. That's just a basic way of how you can use Doceri to do a how-to lesson or have children show their thinking. Thank you so much for watching.